The 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar by and large is actually major areas of strength for especially an unpretentious way. Nexo United States dollar exchanges close 64 cents in a sort of significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Nexo basically is floating at $3,414,475, which certainly is genuinely huge. Nexo really acquired roughly 4.5% inside the for the most part, most recent 24 hours, which truly is genuinely critical. 13 July 2023. In this video we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now, or for certainly 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on some pressing issues facts. What by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Nexo? Explicitly is Nexo an especially wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo support and opposition levels and so forth, so Nexo support and obstruction levels, and so on in a quite enormous manner. However, prior to plunging pretty profound into the Nexo specialized investigation, especially let us in a real sense discuss the truly current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Market examination over the kind of last 24 hours, there for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,190,985,483,416 in a kind of large manner. The very absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $31,315,169,849, showing how Nexo support and obstruction levels and so forth, so Nexo support and opposition levels, and so on, or so they essentially thought. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%. For the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,584.92 level, after a decay of 0.29%, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in a real sense, has seen a value reduction of 0.24%, coming to $1,882.48 during the past 24 hours, or so they in every practical sense thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time period, which really is very huge. XRP in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP truly is up by 0.1 and right now exchanging at 47 cents. Which basically is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which explicitly is very huge. These occasions in a real sense demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in an essentially descending heading for especially present moment, which generally is genuinely critical. As of now, and especially broad in every way that really matters, negative plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Nexo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they fundamentally thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become kind of more sort of dynamic and in every way that really matters, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which certainly shows that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33% in a quite huge manner. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which dealers truly become move pretty dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Showing that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $246.58 following a value change of 0.42% within a similar time span, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Following really are the help and opposition levels of Nexo execution. The ongoing Nexo cost truly is 64 cents, with an exchanging volume of $3,414,475 in the for the most part beyond 24 hours. Or so they essentially thought. At present, Nexo explicitly is up by 4.5% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $358,488,184 United States dollars, which by and large shows that help certainly is a level at which purchasers basically become considerably more certainly dynamic and, in a real sense, prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Which sort of shows that Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in every practical sense, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Nexo Value Examination Nexo Cost Investigation for 13 July 2023. Inside a kind of day-to-day time period, especially made sense of underneath, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. We utilize sort of relative strength index RSI, moving truly normal union and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including truly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and dramatic moving truly normal, EMA to in a real sense, dissect the future development of the Nexo. So right now, a by and large broad especially regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. The Nexo sort of has basically break all its fundamentally upholds levels, and things truly are not looking excellent for the crypto market, showing that these occasions really demonstrate that the market generally is going in a by and large descending, heading for sort of present moment, which basically is genuinely huge. As of now, fundamentally bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Nexo cost beneath the critical help level of 82 cents, exhibiting that 13 July 2023. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these regularly generally clarified pressing issues, facts, what basically is in every way that really matters. Transient cost expectation for Nexo. Sort of is Nexo, a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. RSI suggesting solidification stage while exchanging at 44, and certainly is attempting to in a real sense, break out of the impartiality zone. Genuinely further appearance how the 77 cents support level for Nexo United States dollar generally is actually most certainly solid in a kind of significant manner. While Nexo's Williams %R marker especially is at 52.869 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange commonly signal by and large is conceivable at this reach, which basically shows that at present, in every practical sense, bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Nexo cost beneath the urgent help level of 82 cents, exhibiting that 13 July 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Nexo cost examination for now or for fundamentally 1 week from now, and explicitly attempt to answer these habitually basically clarified pressing issues, facts. What truly is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Nexo, especially is Nexo an essentially wise speculation, which truly is very huge. The MACD line essentially is remaining above of the genuinely signal line after a positive hybrid, extremely further